In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can narrow down your focus for your trading account so that you're in the assets that really have a lot of market attention and you're not going to find yourself in any sort of illiquid markets coming up. Hello and welcome to the Crypto Jungle. My name is Baloo the Bear, and here on the channel we combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis so that you are better prepared to navigate the cryptocurrency space. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to create a watch list. There's thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, hundreds of which are on your local exchange, whichever exchange you happen to be using. If you don't have an FTX account, by the way, links below, sign up to FTX and get 30 days free in the Crypto Jungle. Information for that below. But anyways, we're going to talk about volume, why it's important, and why you want to be in the assets that everybody else is trading. It's kind of counterintuitive to a lot of what people believe in crypto. They want to find the hidden gems. They want to get in at the beginning of stuff. But if we're talking about trading on an exchange and we're talking about trading with some sort of conviction and dependability on direction, it's very important that there are a lot of market participants trading that asset. You need to have a large amount of volume in that asset for you to have any sort of competitive edge in this market. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm going to show you a very easy way for you to screen your assets. All right, so we're going to start here on a Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin index chart. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go down to the bottom here, which looks like is just out of frame. So I'll just draw an arrow. Sorry for this. A lot of this is kind of off the cuff. So right below my arrow here, right there is a category called crypto screener, or it will just say screener, or yeah, something screener, whether you're on equities or whatever the case may be, Forex, whatever. But you're going to click it so that it says crypto screener, and we're going to pull that up. Okay. Then I'm going to go over to my filters and I'm going to change the exchange from any over to FTX. Now, this specific technique does not work with a lot of crypto exchanges because a lot of them trade they count the volume in the asset itself. So to kind of show you what I mean, if we go to, say, Binance, the #1 trading volume is going to be Shiba Inu, but that's not because of the amount of dollars going through Shiba Inu. It's because you have so many of the tokens. You can buy millions of Shiba Inu for a couple $100. So it is volume on contracts, but when we go to FTX, you are going to get the dollar amount. So I'm going to just put FTX. This works really well for FTX. And that's it. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to volume and I'm going to click that twice so that I have the assets, the contracts with the highest amount of volume. Okay. And then I'm going to go over to this tab and I'm going to click on every single one that's basically above $50 million worth of trading volume. So I've gone through all of these and I've labeled them with purple. Not all of them, but I'll turn them all on for you because some of these are repeats. Some of them are going to be, perpetual contracts. Some of them are going to be spot markets. So depending on the asset that you're trading, choose the chart that fits. But from a volume perspective and from just making a watch list perspective, we're just going to turn all of these on all the way until the trading volume goes to about 50 million. There we go. We'll go with maybe those two more. And here we are looking at the volume, 61 million, 50 million, 49. I'm done. I'm not going to trade anything under 50 million contracts. So we're done with the screener. That's great. Let me just move myself back over to this side so we can take a look at the watch lists. And I'm going to turn the watch list on. Okay. and we have our crypto watch list here, but I've already highlighted all the high volume assets. So now when I go to crypto, I can go to purple list, and boom, I have all of the high volume assets. I can organize those by alphabetical order. I can organize them based on the price increases, or if I'm looking to catch oversold bounces, I will go with the lowest price. It looks like Looks Rare's still dumping, which is fantastic. So yeah, that's just a very quick, easy way for you to narrow down your focus and trade the assets that truly have a lot of volume. If you have a bullish or bearish idea, a real key piece of that is making sure that you have volume and trading activity so that you have appropriate follow through with your idea, whether it's follow through to the upside, follow through to the downside. Without a lot of people placing their bids in the order book, you're not going to get much more than just chop. So high volume, high conviction. So I hope you guys learned something today. If you did, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share with anybody that you think would get value from this type of content. I never take paid ads. I don't have any ability for anybody to contact me via email. I truly am trying to just help the market the best that I can without taking influences, without being a shill, without doing any of that stuff that really kind of upsets me that happens in this market too much. Crypto Twitter, crypto YouTube, it's filled to the brim with shills and charlatans, and I'm just trying to do my best to offer quality content, and the algorithm doesn't favor quality content over shilling and telling everybody that they're going to become a millionaire overnight. So if you could do me a solid and share this with people that you think would benefit, that would be very much appreciated. But I'm going to leave it at that. So please, I hope you enjoyed the content, and trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.